The easiest way to introduce you to Journeys is probably to check out our portal. So you can have a portal, if you like, where employees can go in and fill out any request and initiate a process. So for example, let's say I need some new equipment. I can just go into the portal, fill out the request. Let me just fill it out real quick. So here I filled out a new request for a new computer mouse because my mouse is not working. And I just sent the answers. And the request has been received. So now let's open up Journeys and see how this looks. So this is the Journeys view that you'll be working on. Here I can see all the journeys that I've automated, all my processes, and I can search for the one that I just sent this person to. For equipment, and here I can see Aaron is here in the list, and he has a request for equipment in process. So I opened Aaron, and then I can see exactly the process that he is traveling through. He just got a confirmation email saying that your request has been received, and this is the equipment he requested, and so on. And now the manager has gotten an email as well to ask for the approval. So the manager just got an email. Let me open up that email. So this is the email that Aaron's manager just received. He knows the equipment request. This is the computer mouse, and he needs to confirm whether to approve this purchase or not. So when he opens up this link, he gets a form where he approves it, yes or no. And maybe he can write an additional comment or not. He just submits this. And then we can see here in the journey that it was executed. So I can see here what happened. Because this was approved, then there was a confirmation sent to Aaron saying that his request was approved. And also an email was sent to the purchasing department to purchase the mouse. It could of course be an integration with any systems. It could automatically trigger the purchase or whatever, but this is just an example of how this works. Now let's say that I've been running this process and I think there are some things that could be better. Maybe I need to change a word in an email, maybe I want to build an integration. Then I can just go here and open the Journey Builder. Here I see the whole process and I can change it and update it. Let's say, do I want to, this is the first form that is filled out for the equipment. Maybe I want to write something different here. Maybe I want to ask for something else. Do I want to have some date, or do I want to ask for some more information? So I can just drag and drop here, what do I want to have? I can also add a new step here. Do I want to have an AI agent review this? Do I want to send an email or a text message somewhere? Create a document? So there's a bunch of different things that I'm going to cover in the other videos, but it just gives you an example of how you can just constantly be updating and editing your workflow. The overview is also very good. So here you can see all the different people who have been through the process. I can scroll to the right here and see exactly what were they requesting, what was the reason for the request, whether it's been approved or not. I can export this, I can filter on this. So it just really gives you an overview of everyone who is in a process, what is their status, and what was the result from the process. In the next videos, we're going to deep dive more into how you can build a process and do this on your own. But if you ever get lost, you can always find here the support and talk to our support chat. So you can send us a message and we'll reply right away here.